Today, I'm going to show you how to share your location on Snapchat with just one person. Whether you want to meet up with a friend or let someone know where you are, I've got you covered, so let's jump right in. First, open your Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the chat icon in the lower corner to go to your chats. Now, select the friend you want to share your location with. Just tap on the name to open the chat. Once you're in the chat, tap on your friend's name at the top to open the profile. Scroll down until you see sharing location or share my location. Here you can choose how long you want to share your location. You can share it for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or until you turn it off. Pick the one that works for you. After you've selected the time, confirm it, and just like that, your location is now shared with your friend. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your location on Snapchat with just one person.